Hey everybody! We're at the Gapyeong. Hello.
Hi.
We start recording and she's suffering from technical difficulties.
You touched here, so that's why it's critical.
Okay, yay!
Yay!
Blaming me in the vlog. Okay, everybody, we're at the Gapyeong Rail Park. As you can see here. Look at this. Ooh. We got some nice pedaling action here. People are going. We're enjoying the stream. We have some water and some bread, so we're gonna enjoy ourselves.
Vitamin water.
Yeah.
Vitamin water.
Excuse me? Alright, let's go. Yeah. Okay, I have to pedal 15 times for it to activate. Here we go. Oh. No, it's already activated. Oh yeah. So I guess the system is like automatic or something. Yay. This is for 4-player mode. The blue ones there are for 4-player mode. This is 2-player. Okay. I was testing the brakes. Yeah. We have a brake here. Trust you. Worth the brake. And here we go. Pedal. Pedal those feet. Pedal those legs, baby. Yeah. Wow, look at the view. We're gonna race them. Yeah, here we go. But it's already automatic. Wow. It's automatic now.
So fast! Why is it so fast?
So the ride is like an hour and 20 minutes, right? An hour and 20 minutes.
Oh my god.
And we're the last, so we can take our time.
Wow.
Yeah.
Last for an hour?
An hour and 20 minutes.
An hour and 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, they told us it's like 8 kilometers, 4 kilometers.
Okay. Then we'll see about that. Whoa, here we go.
So far.
Wow. Wow. The back. Goodbye. Annyeong. Annyeong. Oh. Whoa, babe.
This is the one I told you.
Oh, right there. Wow. Can you take a picture of the mountain, babe? Wow, take a picture of the mountain. Yeah. Wow.
With my phone.
Whee!
Wow. Are you ready to say hi to them? Annyeong!
Annyeong.
Oh wow.
Annyeong. Annyeong. Annyeong.
Nice. He's enjoying his moment. There you go.
Yeah, it's so fun.
Okay. Now 4 bicycle is gone, so 2 bicycle.
Yeah, 2.
What do you call? Tandem bike?
Sure. Yeah, they're
Okay.
coming.
Are they coming? The guy is working.
Yeah.
Are you ready to say hi?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Hi. Annyeong.
The dad was so sad.
Wow.
Alone in the front.
Wow. There's so many people eating here.
So much people. You picked the best spot. Yeah.
So
Thanks for riding the rail bike with me.
it was so fun. Oh my gosh.
Thanks.
Tell them what we had in the morning. What happened?
What I had in the morning is we woke up very tired.
I was tired.
Yeah. I was.
And then?
Here's the technique. You have to put this one underneath. Because this one has holes.
That's
so
true.
Water doesn't leak.
Oh, smart.
And you have to put some garlics or whatever. This. You grab a small piece of chicken.
Yes, that's quite big.
Sure. And then this is like some cabbage.
Okay.
Grab some cabbage. This. Grab a little more. This.
Okay.
Oh,
Turnips.
you're watching me, camera guy? Right
Yep.
here. Turnips right here. Blow a bit because it's hot. Okay. And then 하나, 둘, 셋.
One shot.
Mmm.
Perfect.
Just like that. Okay, guys. Yeah, it's the end of our trip. We're back at Gapyeong vlog. So
What we just did was kind of crazy.
yeah.
We're just at the what is it called? The music station 1939. And then we were trying to catch a cab, and then Zach couldn't find it, so I just decided to just walk really fast from there to here.
On the maps it says it would take 25 minutes. We got here in 15 minutes, so
Oh my gosh.
and we got 15 minutes to spare, so we're good.
Oh my gosh. And we saved $6.
Yeah.
Which is
Yay!
good.
We did it.
How was it, babe?
It was awesome. Great trip. Very fun. We did
Very
so much.
fun.
So we'll do another vlog
Yeah.
in our next trip, which is hopefully soon.
Yes, we're gonna maybe try the water spot next time, since it's water.
But we did though.
Yeah, we did, but not,
Not entirely.
not fully soaked.
Yeah.
So yeah.
It was good enough. Alright guys, thank you for what?
For watching us. Okay, bye bye.
Okay, see you.